Hi, this is a fully working prototype of Wizician. At one end it has a short cable with an 8-pin lightning connector, and on the other a 3.5mm audio jack input where you could plug your headphone or even a speaker. And a pass-through charging via lightning so you can charge or sync your mobile device while listening to music. Wizician plugs into an 8-pin lightning port on your iPhone, iPad or iPods and allows you to connect any headphone with a 3.5mm audio jack. It also allows you to charge and sync your mobile device at the same time. Let's plug a lightning cable to Wizician and show you how it works. Perhaps I first show you the controller that drives this whole thing, because Wizician is also a DAC, a digital-to-analogue converter, and also houses an amplifier. Tiny but powerful, and can produce the kind of premium quality audio that you can expect from high-end audio equipment used by audiophiles and sound producers. So connecting the Wizician lightning connector into the iPhone to start charging. Oh, let me lock the screen so you can see the battery charging clearer. And here we go. Try it again. I'll plug some earbuds into Wizician, then plug Wizician into the iPhone, and you can hear how loud they get. Notice that the iPhone recognizes the headphones are plugged in. It also detects when they are removed and returns the audio to the iPhone speakers. With the buttons missing on this prototype, I'll be using my magic wooden pick to control Wizician by making contact on the circuit board. And play. Once plugged in, Wizician DAC, the digital-to-analogue converter and amplifier, bypasses the iPhone built-in DAC and amplifier for clearer, louder, richer sounding music with a superior bass. I will lower the volume, then turn it up again. Pause, play again, then double tap to advance to the next song. And advance again. And again. Press and hold the play button to summon Siri, and there you have it, a fully working prototype of Wizician. And with your help and support, we can get Wizician into your hands and onto your phones and have you listening to amazing music on any mobile device with an 8-pin lightning port. Everyone knows at this point that Apple ditched the standard 3.5mm headphone jack on the iPhone 7, and their latest phone including only a lightning port on the bottom. And while they provided a dongle, the catch is a single port dongle, means you can't charge the phone and listen to music at the same time. And the dongle does nothing to improve the sound, and it's simply an adapter. With Wizician, your audio jack and standard lightning cable can be used simultaneously on the iPhone 7. If you're an iPhone 7 user, you can benefit from Wizician with its amazing DAC and amplifier and have the ability to use your favorite headphones with the 3.5mm audio jack and all with an additional port to charge your phone at the same time. iPhone 6, 5, iPad or iPod users can benefit from listening to better sounding music on their mobile devices. Wizician will have 3 control buttons that perform 14 different functions: volume controls, playlist advance and replay, pause, play, and Siri, to name a few. Wizician is also equipped with a mic for hands-free calls. Thank you.